He's done.
Well,
Nothing definitive. I have no idea what powers could manifest next, if any at all. If his first power set was brought on by extreme stress, it stands to reason that another traumatic moment might unlock something else.
Let's test that theory.
Damian!
What was that? Are you kidding me? You piece of...
What? You said a traumatic moment might help him unlock some more powers. Seems logical to test it out.
not by trying to kill him.
If I wanted to do that, he'd already be dead.
That's enough.
Who is this kid? Ow!
Out. Now.
Well, he's obviously not invulnerable.
Obviously.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. He's had a tough time.
He's had a tough time?
Jonathan, could I borrow your dad for a minute?
Yeah, oh yeah, of course, sure. I'll just be over here, you know, nursing my bat wounds.